you know if your policies and procedures are working? For example, as an employer, you know how important flexibility is to your employees. In the last few years, it's shifted from a nice-to-have perk to a core employee expectation and a strategic necessity for businesses. Whether offering a remote work option or just a flexible schedule for the employee to go to a personal appointment, what's the impact of offering this? And how do you know your policies and procedures around flexible work are having the desired results? This is where KPIs come in. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are metrics used by leaders to objectively measure an organization's success. KPIs are used to track progress, guide decision-making, and evaluate success over time. KPIs vary by industry and function. A few examples include HR KPIs, such as employee turnover rate, time to hire, financial KPIs, revenue growth, net profit, or customer KPIs, customer satisfaction score, retention rate. For flexible work, the following KPIs can help an organization determine whether a flexible work program is achieving the desired results. KPIs to measure cost efficiency can include measuring collaboration technology, cost per hire, and office space overhead. KPIs to measure engagement can include employee survey results, net promoter scores, and retention and turnover metrics. KPIs to measure performance can include customer feedback, performance review evaluations, and company goals and objectives achieved. Once an organization has prioritized which KPIs to measure, it should apply methods that will provide stakeholders with the data and insights necessary to understand whether their flexible work strategy is successful. Clients of Frank Crum with the Frank Advice HR Consulting Service can reach out to their HR consultant for guidance on KPIs, as well as employment laws and other HR best practices.